lang sa paglalakbay. Matututo ka ba kung di nagkamali? Alam mo ang sagot, di ba hindi? Mga bagay na bagong haharapin, kailangan pang hawakan at gawin. Ngunit kahit ano pa man ang dumating, nandito na ako at dadamay sa'yo. Mula ngayon, di ka na mag-iisa. Huwag matakot mawala, sasamahan ka hanggang langit at di bibitaw sa piling mo, sa piling mo.
I was lost on a road, headed nowhere without you. Didn't know all that my heart was missing without you. Then I looked in your eyes and the fog started drifting away. From the winter to spring, I could finally see the way. I feel so awake again. I believe in love again. Now my heart's feeling something electric here with you. Since you crashed in my world and arrested all I knew. Spent my life half asleep, now I see you in every dream. So won't you lay here with me, baby, tell me you'll never leave. I feel so awake again. I believe in love again. Lord have mercy, I can't breathe now that you stand.
Kag sa mata ng tao, umisa sa nagdagaan daw, Irone kag si Rachel mag-asawalan. Palakpakan natin. Wala pa por. Prito lang. 1, 2, 3. Para tayo sige. 1, 2, 3. Please. Nilatan na yung por magpas. Okay, nice guy. Ako lang po. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Now that you stand next to me, you make me feel awake.
Umuwi ka lang sa akin.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to our newlywed, our bride and groom. We have Rosie and Michelle.
Today, I stand before you, not as a perfect person, but someone perfectly willing to love, honor, and cherish you for all that you are and all that you will become. With God at the center of our union, I vow to walk beside you in faith, in love, and in hope for as long as we both shall live. I love you, Richelle, my beautiful wife.
Ngayon, kahit pa lumuha ka, mawala ng pag-asa. Alam mo, saan ako hahanapin at laging nandyan sa piling mo. Sa piling mo, oh, sa piling mo. Huwag madismaya, sugal ang buhay. Kasama yan sa paglalakbay. Matututo ka ba kung di nagkamali? Alam mo ang sagot, di ba? Hindi